Are you wondering what makes it worth hiring a professional cleaning company? Hi, I'm Heather, one of the client concierges at Executive Maids. There are several valuable benefits that absolutely make it worth hiring a professional house cleaning company. Are household chores getting in the way of your precious time? Or are you frustrated by unreliable local housekeepers who don't clean thoroughly? When you hire a professional cleaning service like Executive Maids, they will take care of the dirty work for you. With their expert cleaning skills, you can enjoy a sparkling clean home without lifting a finger. It is life-changing. Say goodbye to scrubbing floors and cleaning bathrooms. Say no more to unprofessional local cleaning gals. Say hello to more free time for hobbies, family, and relaxation. Let the professionals at Executive Maids handle the cleaning while you focus on what truly matters. Experience the joy of a pristine home. Seize this opportunity to enjoy a clean home and a stress-free lifestyle. Call us now to discuss your home and cleaning needs because we are here to help you.